way you're gonna remember this stuff, the more senses you engage, right? So you're not gonna just watch me do it. That's like watching me on the treadmill. That's not gonna help you get in shape, right? So you're gonna put the pen to the paper because what you write, you will remember. All right, so let's do it. I'll see you guys in class. Hey, what's happening, everybody? Welcome on back. Pete Olinto with you, my favorite topic. Let's go. Let's talk about that cash flowing into your pocket after you're a big-time CPA. Okay, financing, this looks at our capital structure, how we're raising our capital, and in the real world, this has a signaling effect. All right, so are we issuing or are we repaying debt and equity? All right, so financing liabilities as opposed to operating liabilities. What's the difference? How do you know it's a financing liability? It's interest bearing. How do you know on the exam, hey, this is interest bearing? Because even if this is short term, it's still a financing liability. So it might be listed on the current liabilities because the principal is due within a year, but if it's interest bearing, it's a financing liability.
My job's to take accounting and give it life, energy, and passion. So sit down and get ready to study. And you too will pass the CPA exam. I'll see you in class.
Now the SAS themes are organized around these four, which again, they'll memory aid or mnemonic, PR, which is RP backwards if you want, Roger Phil. I'm going backwards, PR. So PR is purpose or premise, responsibilities, performance, and then reporting. And again, this is how the SASs are organized. So they're going to be organized between, okay, what is the purpose and the premise of what you're trying to do? What are the responsibilities you have? How are you going to do the performance? And how are you going to draft the report? So those are the SAS themes as we go through it. Again, your memory aid, PR.
I'm a certified yoga instructor, and I love bringing that element of mindfulness to CPA exam studies. I've seen a lot of students that know the material, but they absolutely freak out come test day. So I try to keep students confident and grounded in their knowledge. Now, this is not in your notes, but I do want to provide you with some extra color. So let's say a mom and pop shop wants to roll out a new product line, but they don't have the resources themselves to effectively perform the research behind it. So they hire a big company to research for them and agree to pay them X amount for it. Although Big is performing the research, Mom and Pop are paying for it, so Mom and Pop would expense it. I'll also note one more exception. As I mentioned, purchased or developed intangibles would be first capitalized and then expensed over time. That's even if they are part of the R&D process.